Ayaji Naga Student Union Bangalore Basio Executive Issue Lira Zangra Hange Matmaradale Malaydo Ari Dominic. Okay, I am told that the executive members of the Naga Student Union Bangalore are here worshiping with us. I would request all of you to please stand up and then request one of you to introduce all the members to our congregation. So would you please stand wherever you are seated, the executive members of the Naga Student Union Bangalore. Okay. Then Waza Dominic na introduce Samila. I will request Mr. Dominic to introduce your colleagues to us.
Okay, fine. I'll type that up. Hi guys, my name is Siti Punyanan and I am holding the post of president. This is my colleague, my teammate, Mr. Dominic. He is the Game and Sports Secretary. And this is Amy Musical, and she is the Vice President of NHB. And the other one, she is Bendang. You can call her Aka, and she is the General Secretary of NHB.
Thank you very much. Welcome. We want to assure the Naga Student Union Bangalore of our prayer support as well as our support in other matters whenever it is possible. You have a role to play here in shaping and molding the life of our community here. So the responsibility that you have is enormous. And as a pastor, I can only encourage you to take that very seriously. And I can only add at this moment that humanly, it might look like it is possible for you to do that. But I believe that if you ask God's grace, you'll be able to do many things, much more than you expect. So we will be praying for you, and we exhort you also to look to God as you serve our people here. The sermon this morning is based on Genesis 37, chapter 37. That is the all too familiar story of Joseph and his brothers. We are all very familiar with the story of Joseph. We have read it, heard about it in our church and Sunday school, and we recognize ourselves in that story. We recognize ourselves in that story not because we have heard the story very often or we have read it very often, but I believe we recognize ourselves in that story because we are Joseph sometimes, because we are his brothers sometimes, because we are Joseph's father Jacob sometimes. We are Joseph sometimes because Joseph is a very proud person, filled with pride. And so are we. Sometimes we are proud of our achievements, our status. Sometimes we are his brothers, jealous, angry. We are jealous of the success and talents of other people around us. We are angry at people who irritate and provoke us. Sometimes we are like Joseph's father Jacob. We play favoritism. We are partial to some. We love some people more than others. So we recognize ourselves in this story. Sometimes I am Joseph, I am very proud. Sometimes I am his brother, I am very jealous of others. I am very, very angry at others. Sometimes I am Joseph's father, Jacob. I play favorites. And so the story is familiar to us both intellectually but as well as existentially. As you live, you recognize yourself as one of the characters of this story. Pride, jealousy, favoritism. The perfect recipe for disaster. You want to create disaster, then you mix all these ingredients and disaster is about to happen. Joseph is nearly murdered by his own brothers. He is sold into slavery, presumed dead and mourned by his father Jacob. So where is God in this story and drama? God is not even mentioned once in the entire chapter. So where is God? God does not cause the brokenness of this story. God is not the author of this brokenness and sinfulness. But God causes the healing of this brokenness. That distinction has to be maintained. We are given free will, so we decide what to do and what to say. And sometimes that creates brokenness in our society, in our family. But God is gracious. God repairs that brokenness. Because alone by ourselves, we cannot do it. Joseph's life is a seesaw of ups and downs. His father lifted him up as a favorite. His father gifted him with a nice coat. Up. His brothers brought him down to the pit. Down. And later on, further down to Egypt. And then in Egypt, in the household of Potiphar, he rises up again. And then he is falsely accused by Potiphar's wife of trying to seduce her, and he is sent into prison. So he goes down again. But God lifted him up again, and he became the second most powerful man in Egypt. So you see, Joseph's life is seesaw, up and down, and he goes up and he goes down. God is there in our life. You and I, we make a lot of decisions, sometimes that are detrimental to us. But God repairs our mistakes and make us whole again. So when we make mistakes, and if we are looking to God, we can always hope. Because in the end, whatever our weakness is, God is going to lift us up again. So if you find yourself in your life journey, like Joseph, going down into the pit, taken as slavery into Egypt, put into prison, do not despair, because God is going to lift you up again if you look to God. Nana Khayauji Nana Hatra Kharchan he itum Junkana itum Mirini la Rashokaine. Jacob he wivanga Arwi Nana Khayau he Nana Hadraji Awivanga Mushun Lakaina Rakshokne. Jacob na Joseph Sava, Jacob na Asava Isaac Likapike. Kala asamay isowe kachan kachonji sang laka asawa li ana kapike. Ana ji yaw sang kai ne. Ji tak kamay na Jacob lila kanao anaw lam shongji anaw bing na ali ra kapike. Naway now Joseph tihaire kala tihaire gaji hi jiwi profi ki da jiga awe ka John hi. Ashi, our Ashigzang John he ne the Ali Rajitai. Jacob na Yaranda Lelaka Ashava Lake PK. Akharatam Tranjili awe na Arabing na Ali Rakapike. Jacob na Joseph Lee Leshilake. Kaja Joseph he avo Rachel he Jacob na Leshilak Kaya Avoni. Lia wivang jingum shinis watsalaka lia ling kume ka Rachel lia Jacob na la shinai da jingum trada mati watsalaka ngakum jine Jena Rachel winau khni Joseph aina Benjamin Hikni ngachai li Jacob na Joseph li le shilake pohon la apang sang aka sangmi khuimi da hange atam chi tranjilia raubing hi pohon apang sang masang mane ki je watsau gi da pang ka sang sang ji makana ji teruli wai bai kham khau kai bai jena raubing teu ka ta khmai bing hi pohon apang mag sang ning je sang ji pohon asang apang ka sang je ka khangam khrei bing jina akhwa bing jina sangmi jine Chi thau gi da ali achinang ra bing jina ali mikpai shi hawe Chi mang maning la awi mang la khni shi da ana atum li maran mi phong mi mang ji khre mang ba ji li mama zan atum lui li watsa la kha achinang ra trad akhoi mama zan jina awi mama zan ji li khorum mai de khre mang shong ja na phong shok Awi achinang ra a mring phalak thwe ali ka tha da nali rar khamai rubin ga tha rar khamai ithum na nali khorum la mring pha thwe ka khne mang ba jilia semik kachang sira na ali khorum mai da hang semik jiga asha wali khang nei kachang jiga asha wali khang nei asha wai na asha wala ali khorum re da hang jali hang ja tam tran jili Jacob asha wai nang de Mring pamani. Hiwi wangai na achinang rabing na ali yang kringawe mulungwat hawe. Kala kang han la mang han mi mani thang dale. Kang chaw ba itum hi mi kumoy sambang rok ka mring pa dale da han kang rok ni. Jiwa tam liya han kang rok pi shalom dang han rok jini. Shalom ji jingre hai no jini. India li Muslim na bing na salam ji shalom hen kharan. Achinang rabing na ali shalom da hogi jila chot hawe mulungwa hawe jingre nali jingre hawe no gi hi atum na mahang rtwi da hange jena Jacob li atum mulungwa ji leidak la tam tran jil Joseph li mulungwa ji leidak la tam tran jili ashawa Jacob na Joseph li achinang ra sei hom dak la pam jili Jehovah ka tha da lei kla yang lo da kwa ka tam tran jili achinang rana ali tu khuilaka ali sathat ki da sai ka rubin bana kan khmi ni ali ama sathat se khorchop li khorsang house se ta khorchop li khorsang itum hi Joseph shishim kurgistani itum hi Joseph na lang so tha da itum la lang so pupame Itum hi BA mang tam khwai la ka phning le EMA ta da thai khwi ka ji mi chung khle khang ja ne mi kumo khang ja ne EMA tam khwai la ka yu thai khwi ya MPhil ka sung da tam khwi da evening le phning e MPhil ko bai la ka PhD ko bai re ka ji wi ka phning e khang ja ne jena ma hi pora ka khang re jai ka evening le pora khani khang re ka ji ta da khle La hi level thada mati sa thai jai ka evening le la hi level thruk sa thai iklat thada khang ka je mikumo we khang cha ne lang soji leiji ne jiwa na ngok sono bing sim khuri da ka sa ne sono sim khur bing ne itum li na ki bag lag ji hi hang chi dai Joseph itum li le sere lang soi Achina thada achina nam lungkhawat mikpai ki thada itum li le chilai bapame Joseph le achina ngrabing na mikpai si itum la mi bing li mikpai ki hi lai bapame Joseph e achina ngrana Joseph le mulungwate itum la chi bapame itum we society li matala kaina itum we tribal society Tangkhul mamni la naga society li itum hi miak na ka kang khuntar kasai Mi akawi kamatha jili itum na katom gaji ishi saklake. example in hang any function that the young notice now a function is Tangkhul mang the function li miakana lam thada sa jen miakana speech mithad mi jen miakana ki kita khum thalen khong ja tun ranjli yaroi na pang ka pe hi akhon ma shok mate pang thada jang ngazan lagai na ka pe de mili encourage ka sa hi itum hi ma sa thai jine miakana poreka pa sa ka na larik mathalai na tamlo mathalai tam hai re gi hi itum hi mathalai na mahang chi thai rem ne atungli le dekhle bingjili itum ma ka tom thai mane itum ma da khuita ge khunta ge ji chi ba mili ka tom ka thai hi itum hi le gi ji ne mili ka tom ka thai hi pang shap ki thai na wo nawi khang zan ki thai maning mane ka pang shap ki thai ne na atung ka dak le ji I ka dak le ne na ta dak le ji I ta dak le ne ji mam lai phang bre je na mili itum ka tom ka hi lai phang bre mulung khawati ya da ji ba me jang itum hi mulung fati control ma sa kar ge mer naw la shinaw la da la kan mer naw mi hi itum hi control ma sa kar le dak le ne itum hi conscious ala kana control ka sai hi dar ka sai mer naw bing ta la kana I sinaw bing ka thak lo I thalai mthe der ka mer naw wi mulung fa de I the re tang holaw bing wi tu hi ma hang nang la kha re mai tui de ka sai na pam la ka hang ba jan phai isha wai shawali mulung wa dai de tui mu tui ba pha ga ji itum ji control thar pu re isha chon li izervuli ichana li mulung wat pha ga ji hi itum control thar pu re Bravely, equally, Mlungwat Laga Papaji, itum control Tarpung. Ishi we Tangkhul we problem make a hug he, itum make temporary control Saiga, Chili Pagada, later cleaning. Itum Hilla Joseph Achinata, the Mulungkavati, the late Papame. Joseph Sava Jacob Tade itum he, Tada Micham Makai Sahi, late Papame. Itum Nangaso, Naimi lay, Nahan Naimi lay. Itum nang so hai mi ba we makak sung jia itum na da yang pin miao ma thei mi ka itum na me yang ngai mi ba jin na ka pha sa sa la la ma ka pha sa da ka sa da thei thiao hi ma tha phung re itum na me yang ngai mi ba jin la ka ma tha sa da le ka ji ma thai gi ji itum recognize sa phung re itum na le shi de klei bi ba jin na ma ka pha sa ka I know hi ma pham kho gi ji hang ji Chiktaji lay pangre. Joseph ji wishim kuri kerjanli ari pataka jili Brivrawi mazang lakmane Brivrawi aming. Brivrai hi thaga ashishim kuli wat masathu jila. Brivrai hi wat sada kleine. Shim kuri manga jili matadala kunuk jili ahi wat sada kleine. Ana itumik tongkali Ninkhane mi. No we Ninkhan like you Ninkhana tissue the itum decision quick. Maragakli none decision quid the legy kangwing of I. Kernan we eyes the quest I love run our look machine G quiralaka knowing we kaiji and a shamkami G. Jibri rawi look machine like she G jitha ratchet hagene. No Delhi Kalo. Jihad Shimkuna. Kana Bana, I tell him a camera. I Bangalore tar the Bangalore Tahiri Jose. Jane Bangalore with the Tahu get no Mirini Shimana or Rigi, Malay money. Brirana then Delhi Mkasala, Bangalore Hinan with the Tasala, Brirana no Mirini Hili, Shamkui Pai. No we college scene and a Chalakama Salala. Brirana college chili na lipang shapilaka kapasang sakpai. Joseph we mirin hili na yu mirin thada katala gakala thada leipapame. Ashawana alilum hai the pohon kamatha mi shim kurli ahi pangshap lei gijibai khudam sada atung lipam sai. Ashawana kankada. Ka achinang rajana ali yang shem rungwathaw gida ali khorchop chili azing jili sang me hawe. Kala chili lang may da ali raupam di or sang laka azing som Egypt li Jehota we Ke brirana lumashan mi da Ali Potiphar regime kurli wa sang sak lek khangkai brirana Potiphar chi aprewna Ali khyon pen we hauge da jail li tuksang le awe azing li tuksang le awe Ke brirana ali khangkalui le ke Egypt we number 2 Pharaoh we azing li wat ka sami aka sang sak Itumi mirin hili atung li pam shon gaji malay mani maragak le atung li pam mai maragak le azing li taye maragak le atung li kalui ka hiwi nga chai li vrurana itum li khang singkhui me delay gijui hi mamlai sa itum ga tong kali khang singkhui me ka matai la khaina vrurali yang da khlai vrurali hon da khlai bi bing jiwanga vrurana meher me mane acham kya ka jaksi salala vrurana meher me mane Joseph we achinangra thada akha ji achama mathamani sathat kide sai Kevrurana atumli lum shanmida thada ka Joseph thada khani jang la ka Israel we tribe thada khani we akwa ngasa thuyawe itumai khangzan hin na vrurawi program hi makham bai mane vrurali yang da le kha vrurani itumli pangshap mishoni maraga khli no we mirin li yu mirin li khorchop ta sangai thada the kha ningma theu Rurana Korchop Joina Kang Shok Mere. Marakakli Nawe Mirin he Akwama Sala Raupum Joseph na Egypt we Li Raupum Takaita the Na Taisaka Ning Mateolo. Rurana Egypt li Ali Kankakata the 44 she was Shimkuli Kankakata the Nali la Kankara Sare. Nali me being na penda Makapa, Makamshung Penda, Na Padop Mirini Padop Lizangai Saijilla, Ning Matero. The runner Nali Kang Shok Milaka, Gachui Apam Li, Kankamire. Rurali Chihan the Claping Gia, Gachihan Katang Himang of Amani. Achua Azing the Pam Saijilla. Akamoa Atungli Kalakre. Azing Zili Kapam Ji to me Mirin Mening Money. Ka Atung Jili. Kapamji Rirawe Ningchangane Kala Rirawe Sokmi program itumi mirinli kwirakmi Hangasani. Amen.